Now that you have a basic understanding of ChatGPT and how it works in theory, let us explore how to use it. To begin chatting with ChatGPT, go to the official website at chat.openai.com. If you already have an account, click on Login. But if you are new here, click on Sign Up. Don't worry, signing up is completely free and quick. Once you are on the chat interface, you'll notice that it's user-friendly, even the upgraded Plus version. But we'll dive into all its features and parts to make the most of it. First, let's focus on the left side of the interface. To start a new chat, look at the upper left corner and click on New Chat. We'll be able to choose between ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4 Plus version. As I am currently using the Plus version of ChatGPT, this premium version costs $20 per month. But don't worry, all the instructions I am giving you work simply fine with the free version. Now let's talk about what makes these versions different. The free ChatGPT version responds quickly, but it's a bit less accurate compared to ChatGPT 4 Plus version. It's about 60% more accurate. This means it performs better, especially for complex tasks, creating unique content, precise formatting, and making responses more human-like. However, it's a bit slower. To show you the difference, I will use the 3.5 version first with a simple request. Write a 500-word article about Newton. As you can see, it generates a lot of content in just a few seconds. Then, I will start a new chat using ChatGPT 4 with the same request. Notice how it's a bit slower, but the language it uses is more unique, human-like, and factually accurate, resulting in a more creative output. You'll notice that the wording is quite different, but both versions did a wonderful job. Now that you understand this, no matter which version you pick, you can confidently use ChatGPT to its fullest. As we go through this course, you'll learn how to make the most out of this amazing tool. When you get a response, you have two choices. If the response isn't what you expected, you can edit your initial instructions. Just hover your mouse over the text you want to change and right-click. This lets you add more instructions or completely rephrase your request. For example, if you want a shorter 200-word article on Newton, you can adjust your instruction, click Save and Submit, and ChatGPT will give you a new response. Remember that your past instructions are saved so you can look back at previous responses and instructions when needed. To see an earlier response and its instructions, hover your mouse on the left of ChatGPT's logo where it says To. Clicking that will show you the original instructions and response. To go back to the most recent response, just choose the latest interaction. If you find the response unsatisfactory but believe your instructions were correct and you just want a different response, you can click on Regenerate Response. ChatGPT will give you a fresh response while keeping your original instructions. All your conversations, including responses and instructions, are neatly stored so you can access them easily. This feature helps you keep track of your interactions and find valuable information when you need. To make it easier to manage your different conversations, you can give them descriptive names. Hover over a conversation and click the small pen icon. This allows you to label them with names like Newton article, so you can keep things organized.